The Coinseries channel is pleased to have you back. In the upcoming 2024 U.S. election cycle, Brad Garland House has confirmed that the company will financially support lawmakers who are pro-crypto. In addition, XRP's price has finally bottomed out in comparison to Bitcoin after a series of dips. That being said, does this portend a spike soon? Finally, XRP and outstanding prices have been moving in lockstep for a long time, which has left everyone bewildered and angry. I will explain the XBFC-LN link, so be sure to read all the way to the end. Feel free to watch this new video right now if you're interested. The blockchain startup Ripple invested $250 million in healthcare and has the potential to a total of $250 million has been previously spent on healthcare by the Ripple Blockchain Corporation. According to Medico, Adrian Trekking, founder and CEO of Medical, will continue to operate the brand and business division independently. This is so even if Ripple is now the only shareholder in the company. According to a formal announcement, operational policy seems to have changed 7 months after the purchase was confirmed. Ripple just made an announcement about its 2024 Bitcoin industry estimates. Adrian Trekking was appointed Senior Vice President of Product at Ripple, and the news broke first to XRP enthusiast and former user Rath Hoff. Medico and Ripple are now inseparable as well. Despite the lack of evidence at this time, the new material does seem to indicate a minor shift in operational policy at Medico and Ripple. However, given that Ripple is the sole shareholder and Medical, this outcome is hardly unexpected. The main focus has been on how this development affects Ripple and XRP, but institutional adoption of medical crypto custody and blockchain solutions has also been suggested as a way for Ripple to entice big firms and connect its payment network. Despite the lack of development, the employees' solid collaboration could pave the way for that result. Ripple may change its focus from its XRP-based main payment network if crypto custody begins to produce a significant amount of revenue. Even though there is no evidence that this has or will happen, some who support IRP contend that the mere potential does not bode good for XRP holders. Ripple has not yet revealed its intentions regarding the disclosure of additional information regarding its operational policies in connection with Medico or any potential future acquisitions. Concurrently, both companies continue to back Ripple's overarching objectives, which contributes to the expansion of the project's ecosystem. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest XRP news, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Accordingly, the crypto ecosystem's top brass are getting a much-needed lift from Brad Garland House's X postings, which will aid in their continuing efforts to raise money to support lawmakers who can assist impose fair legislation on the nation. Society and regulators were outraged by personalized fundraising, like is that linked to FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried, even if other prominent crypto figures have supported past election cycles. This continuing partnership of major industrial heavyweights is more apparent because they both aim to save the emerging blockchain industry. Brad Garland House maintains that the U.S. must take action to outlaw alongside a financial incentive if it is to maintain its competitive edge in the global market. Because of the SEC's over-regulatory policies, he made it quite apparent that America is going down the wrong road. For this SEC, this year has been exceptionally difficult. Kraken started pursuing enforcement action earlier this year after the regulator accused the company of selling its staking service as an unregistered securities, resuming legal action against the trading platform just weeks following the initial $30 million settlement. The Gary Gensler LED Commission refiled its lawsuit. The agency's legal spat with Ripple has also heated up this year. As the matter approaches its final resolution, each party has achieved distinct objectives. The court did find Ripple guilty of offering XRP as collateral to major financial institutions, even though two of its top executives, Garland House and Chris Larsen, were found not guilty. In view of these shifts, Garland House maintains that the Bitcoin ecosystem is in need of trailblazers who can spearhead new developments and clear the path for sensible regulation. Regardless, campaigns endorsing crypto-friendly politicians have amassed nearly $78 million. According to Politico, Remember that this is unrelated to the long-running lobbying campaigns of specific cryptocurrency companies. Reports have indicated that Ripple Labs and Coinbase, among other cryptocurrency businesses, spend millions of dollars yearly pushing lawmakers in Washington to endorse particular crypto concerns. The moment to support projects that encourage openness, creativity, and a focus on compliance is 2024, according to a clarion appeal from Garland House. Furthermore, both XRP and BTC are trading near their all-time lows at the moment. Two individuals have taken note of the graphic you shared, which compares the weekly price fluctuations between XRP and Bitcoin. As can be seen from the graph, Bitcoin's increase since July has been far higher than XRP's. Following July's landmark decision in the Ripple v. SEC case, the XRP/HT pair hit a new annual high of 29.70 seconds on July 13th. And XRP gained 59.2 Vs BTC in a week, peaking at 93 cents. The price of XRP reached its highest point since September of last year during the spike, but it then fell dramatically during the subsequent market correction. After then, the coin's value plummeted in comparison to Bitcoin. This week, XRP's value has fallen 20 times lower than Bitcoin's. Even though 22 weeks have passed since mid-July, the altcoin has only experienced 2 weekly increases, while XRP has remained mostly unchanged. Bitcoin has accelerated its losses by breaking above key resistance levels since early November. So, compared to its all-time high, TXRP is trading at a 52-week low right now, and it's right there with Bitcoin at its lowest point. This price puts XRP at its lowest point compared to the main cryptocurrency since March, as reported by Saito. There will likely be less drastic drops in the value of XRP relative to Bitcoin if this claim is true. The analyst predicts a likely price reversal. That the Relative Strength Index, RSI, fell to 35.9 on the weekly RSI charts for Bitcoin and XRP is one reason that led to this conclusion. As of the time of broadcast, this graphic indicates that XRP has already reached an oversold zone, indicating that a price reversal is coming. Crypto Insight UK projects that XRP's value would surge by 88.1% in comparison to Bitcoin, given that Bitcoin is now priced at $43,000. A unit of XRP would be worth $1.19 if $1 were a dollar. However, $43,000 is unlikely to be Bitcoin's permanent residence. He thinks that once the altcoin breaks through the box, Bitcoin's XRP price might increase by as much as 1,500%. Importantly, Bitcoin has hit point 28. Market analysts like Crypto Insight UK continue to be bullish on XRP's future, pointing to the cryptocurrency's strong showing during the 2018 bull run as proof. We may now turn our attention to the main topic of the day, despite a rise of 0.93% over the past day. What could be the rationale behind the prolonged correlation between XRP and XL values? Are we seeing price movements for XLON and XRP that are similar to each other over the last many years? If you want to stay up to date on all the latest XRP news, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Regarding a remark that was posted by an XRP user, Mr. Huber Schwartz provided his thoughts on the matter of X. The main goal of the individual was to disprove the notion that the monthly XRP escrow releases from Ripple were causing price pressure and restricting the cryptocurrency's growth. Today, it was all over. My channel would be greatly appreciated if you could subscribe and like it. Goodbye for now.